This 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 3.2 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, TV, refrigerator, microwave. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 3.2 BHS is 9,550 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.